I ran out of stamina. You gotta get the ball. Gotta get the ball. Gotta get the ball.
Ah, Red's dragging me.
Oh shit!
Where'd the ball go?
I got it!
We gotta go. Go, Richard. Go. 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 Go.
Yeah! I moved.
James, how do you put a lint roller? I mean, not a lint roller, a lighter.
A lighter? You mean a torch, a stick, and
No. When he's in crate, he needs a flint. He needs a flint.
Flint and steel.
That's what you need.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do. Get to the business. But you came out the blue. Then you just flipped it. Damn, baby, my mind's blown. We forget you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, it's just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is real with the bill, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, shouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. But you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love to think. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But I can't let it slip away, drift away, can't go to waste, I say it's strange, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wake up a minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby. You stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know what the love is.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you
know the love is real. When they're ready for give me the thing, they're ready for really get to life. Tell me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come check me in at the night, I make me get it amplified. But if you run the ship, me not go slip, me not go slide. In other words, the love I got to give is certified. We give it the top, it's long, get started for ride. Girl,
Baby boy, stay on my mind.
come on.
Okay. Baby. My birthday was so good. So good. But I'm so tired. And it's 9:33. I'm very tired. Also, wow. Literally sat at home doing nothing. And I literally look like I went to a bar and then cried. I didn't. I need to take this all off. Not gonna lie, my makeup ate today. Anyway, I had a very good birthday. iPhone, which is broken. Anyway, I'm feeling 22, bitch. Feeling 22. If you watched this video, it's probably just gonna have this one clip of me being like, bye. Thank you for watching the vlog if you did. It was very random. I just randomly decided to record a couple of things. Oh, that hurt. Earring. Yeah, I randomly decided to record a couple of things and I was like, why not? Just make it like a couple of days in my life. And then randomly wanted to film this outro on my birthday. Because I'm about to like literally take all of this off. Well, I already took my jeans off. But do some skincare and lay down. I think I want to watch a movie. I think I'm gonna do that. I want to watch a movie. Yeah, that's it. Can't believe I'm 20 fucking 2. That's crazy. Anyway, shut the fuck up, Courtney. Thank you for watching this video. Bitch, don't look at my wall. That's so embarrassing. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.